When we think about hackers, two distinct types come to mind: white hat hackers and black hat hackers. White hats are the good guys, the ethical hackers who use their skills to protect systems and networks. They work with organizations to find vulnerabilities before the bad actors do. Imagine them as digital superheroes, often employed by companies to conduct penetration testing and ensure their defenses are strong. On the flip side, black hat hackers are the villains in this story. They exploit weaknesses for personal gain, stealing data, causing chaos, or even holding systems hostage for ransom. Their motives are often malicious, driven by profit or revenge. The key difference: intent. White hats aim to secure and improve, while black hats seek to disrupt and exploit. In a world where cyber threats are ever evolving, understanding this distinction is crucial. It's a constant battle between good and evil in the digital realm, and knowing who's who can make all the difference.